Do you also own a perfume store business and get hundreds of inquiries asking about perfume categories, price and stocks, and replying to all of them manually is a very time-consuming and hectic task? So let me ease out this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your perfume store business, where your customer can easily browse through the perfume categories, place order, also track the delivery status, all through automatically with the help of one chatbot created by Pabbly Chatflow in just 3 simple steps. In step 1, we'll learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. In step 2, when a user will message us, automatically a triggered WhatsApp chatbot will reply them. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works. Welcome back to my screen, Frigheads. Now before telling you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your perfume store business, let me give you a real-time example of how it works. So as on my screen, you can already see this flow created for you. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So here I'll simply write hello and enter it. Now as you can see, I got this welcome message. Hi, welcome to Aroma Essence Perfume Store. How can we help you today? So firstly, I want to explore perfumes, so I'll click on that. Now they have given me this list. So I'll open this list. Here I have 3 categories: floral collection, woody collection, and also attar and oud. So firstly, I'll go with fresh flower collection, that is affordable, long-lasting, used for everyday purpose, and the range starts from $699. So firstly, I'll click on this, and here as you can see, I got this beautiful perfume. Also with a little description, mixed floral perfume. Now if in case I want to buy it, I'll click on buy now option. Now here they're asking me to write my full name. After my name, they're asking me for my address. So I'll mention my address. Now they're asking me for the quantity. So I just want one perfume. Now they have sent me this message. Your order is confirmed demo user. That is my name. You will receive it within 7 days. Also I have an option of cash on delivery. So I'll click on this, and here they have sent me this message. Thank you for purchase at Aroma Essence Store. So like this, I have successfully created this flow. And just in case if you want to explore more perfume categories, you can again go to this open list option. Here now we'll choose this woody collection for men and enter it. Now here as you can see, I got this category of perfume. Now again if I'll click on buy now option, I'll get the full name option, address option, and again they'll ask me for all my details. Now just in case I want to explore the third category, that is attars and ouds, so I'll click on this, then this, and now as you can see, I got this attar option as well. Also with all of my messages, I am having the rates and range of each and every perfume. Now just in case if I want to know my order status, I'll click on this. They're asking me to write my order number, and like this they have sent me this message. We have received your request. Our team will contact you shortly, or you can call our customer support directly at this number mentioned over here. Now just in case if I directly want to contact their customer care number, I'll simply click on this option over here, customer support, and again as you can see, I received this message. Similarly like this, you can also create this WhatsApp chatbot for your perfume store business in just few easy steps. So firstly, you have to go on new tab option. Here you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow, enter it. Now we are redirected towards this page. Here we have sign up for free and sign in option. Sign up for free is for the new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. We have to scroll down, come to Pabbly Chatflow option, click on Access Now button, and now as you can see, we are directed towards our dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this option Add WhatsApp Number. When we'll click on that, we'll have 2 more options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the left hand side of our dashboard, here we have several icons. Let me teach you one by one what are they used for. Firstly, we have the dashboard option, where we can view overall statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. After that, we have inbox, where we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from user in real time. On third option, we have contacts. Here we can manage our contact list and view detailed profile. On fourth one, we have team queues, where we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. On fifth option, we have templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. On sixth option, we have broadcast, where we can send bulk WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts using templates. On seventh option, we have flows, where we can build and automate chatbot flows for WhatsApp conversation. We'll use this today. Next up, we have AI Assistant, which uses AI tools to enhance customer response and automate replies. Now we have activity logs, where we can view logs of all our recent activities and system operation. After that, we have settings, where we can configure account, business profile, and integrate settings. Last but not the least, we have Get Help, where we can access support, resources, tutorial, and customer assistance. Now let me teach you how to create the flow. We'll go on this flow option, click on the flows button on the first one. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this option Add Flow. We'll click on this, and now we are redirected towards this page. This page is called our flow builder page. But before starting our flow, we have to give our flow a unique name. For example, I'll give this flow a unique name of WhatsApp Chatbot for Perfume store business. Similarly, you have to follow the same step before starting your every flow. Also, we have to toggle this button on to activate our flow and save our flow with each and every step. Now coming to this flow start tag, here we have three options: keywords, regex, and choose template. So firstly, let me tell you what are keywords. Keywords are simple words or phrases that trigger your chatbot flow. Here we have to write them manually. For example, for a perfume store business, keywords can be hi, hello, order, buy, perfume categories, price, etc. Now coming to the regex option, regex refers to regular expression. They are more advanced version of keywords to catch variation or similar word in one line. For example, if a lead will write us with the full sentence, automatically our regex will help our chatbot get triggered. Here we have a special code for regex, that is, this is our special code for regex. Also, we have to toggle this button on to enable the case sensitive regex. Now the third option, choose templates. To know how to choose template and create your flow with that, we have separate videos made. You can go out to a YouTube channel and watch them. Now let me teach you how to start our flow. Here on the top left hand side corner, we can see messages and action section. This will help us build our flow. So firstly, I want to write a welcome message for my user. So for that, I'll drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, join it with my flow starting tag like this with the help of this thread, and enter my message over here. So like this, as you can see, I have entered my message. Also, I'll give here the buttons. So like this, I have given three buttons: Explore Perfume, Order Status, and Customer Support. Here in Explore Perfume, I'll give the categories of my perfume. So firstly, starting with that. For that, I'll again go to the messages section, drag this list option over here in my flow builder screen, and join it with Explore Perfume. So firstly, I want to write here a header. So I'll mention my header over here. So I have written my header over here. Now I'll enter the body over here of my text. Similarly, like this, after body, I'll enter my footer like this. So like this, as you can see, I have entered my header, body, and footer. Now I'll click on this add section option and mention my categories of perfume. So firstly, I'll go with my first category of perfume, that is floral collection. I'll click on this add item button after that, and here I'll write my title and also the description about floral perfume collection. So like this, I have entered my title, also added the description and also the range about the perfume. Now I'll move forward and add a section option over here. Now I have to give my second category, that is for men's perfume. So I have added woody collection over here. Now I'll add items over here to like title and description. So like this, as you can see, again I entered my title and my description mentioning the range as well. Now I'll again move forward and add on this add section option and give my third category of perfume. Here I'll write for Atar and Oud. So like this, I have written my section title. Now I'll again add my items over here, title and description. So as you can see, my title, bestseller in India, also my description mentioning the range. Now I'll move forward and add a media button for each of these categories showing the picture. So for that, I'll go to the action section, drag this media button option over here in my flow builder screen, and firstly, I want to show my floral collection category. So for that, I'll join this thread with my media button over here and select my media type image, and I'll browse this file from here, take out my picture from the downloads option, and like this, as you can see, automatically my URL is fetched and also my picture is added. Now I'll add a caption over here. So like this, I have entered my caption. Also, I'll give a button of buy now option. Like this, I have added this media button for the floral collection category. Now I'll move forward with the other categories of my perfume similarly like this. So to save my time, I'll simply copy this, join it with my second category, woody collection, remove this photo from here, delete this caption, bring the photo for the men's fragrance perfume, and enter the caption for it. So like this, I have successfully added my picture, also my caption. Also have to give the same button for buy now option. Now similarly, moving forward with my Atar and Oud, I'll copy the media button and join this thread with my third media button like this. I'll remove this image, delete my caption over here, write my caption for Atar and Oud, bestsellers Atar, and here I'll browse the image, and like this, I have successfully added image for Atar and Oud, also have written the caption. Now as soon as when any lead or customer will click on this buy now option, I want them to answer some questions. So for that, I'll again go to the action section, drag this ask question option over here in my flow builder screen, and join it with all three of my media buttons buy now option. So as you can see, I have added the thread with all the buy now option to my question. Now I'll mention my question over here for full name and enter it. So as you can see, I have mentioned my question, and in the contact custom field, I'll select full name. To know how to create contact custom field, firstly you have to save your flow. Now here on the settings option, top third option, we have contact custom field. You can create your own custom field from here. Now as I have already created my custom field, I'll select it, and for this format, I'll select text. So similarly like this, moving forward, I'll mention my question for address. So I'll simply copy this, join it with my full name question, and mention my question over here for address. In the custom field, I'll select address, format will be text, and the number of attempts I want to give is 1. Now moving forward with my next question, that is for quantity. So for that, I'll again copy this question box over here, join it with the previous one, and mention my question over here. For the custom field, I'll select quantity, and as a customer can write their quantity in both number or text, so I'll choose any option from here in format. So like this, I have successfully asked all my questions. Now as soon as my lead will answer all these questions, I want them to know that they have successfully ordered the perfume they wished for. For that, I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, join it with my last question, and enter my message over here. As you can see, I have entered my message. Now to make this field more dynamic, firstly I have to save my flow, go to my contact custom field, and copy the full name option. So like this, I have successfully made this field a dynamic field. Also, I have told them that they will receive their order in just within 7 days. Also, I want to add a button over here for cash on delivery. Now like this, I have successfully added the button as well. Now I want to thank my customer for making a purchase. So for that, I'll drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, join it with my COD button, and add my message over here. Like this, as you can see, I have thanked my customer. Now moving back to my other option that were for order status and customer support. So to know order status, firstly I'll ask a question to my user. So for that, I'll go to this action section, drag this ask question option over here in my flow builder screen, and join it with my order status option. Now I'll mention my question over here. So like this, I have mentioned my question, please write your order number. For the contact custom field, I'll select order number, and in format, I'll select any. Now following up, I want to tell my customer that their request is being received and my team will shortly contact them. So for that, I'll again go to the messages section, drag this text button option over here in my flow builder screen, and join it with my question. I'll enter my message over here. Also for their help, I'll give a customer support number to them. So like this, as you can see, I have mentioned the details, also the contact number. Now similarly, moving forward with customer support option, I'll simply stretch my thread out and join it with my last message box, where I have mentioned the message received, also have told them the number of my customer support team. So like this, successfully we have created our flow. Now we have to save this flow, toggle this button on, and as you can see, my flow is being updated. Now I'll directly take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So here I wrote a full sentence and will enter it. So like this, I have again received this welcome message as I showed you before. Similarly like this, you can also create a WhatsApp chatbot for your perfume store business and boost your sales. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.